because you want to grow your YouTube channel. Anywhere you go on this YouTube channel, you are going to be hearing pick a niche. Pick a niche. Don't be anywhere. Pick a niche. Pick a niche. Yes, yes. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be telling you if you should pick a niche or not, the benefit, disadvantage, everything. I'm going to be telling you my experience on it and why I am making this video, because this video and this channel is based on my experience. I'm not here to come and tell you what people are saying. I'm here to tell you and teach you from my experience. So if you want things like this, then do what to subscribe. I am Chioma. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's the first time you're coming across this channel, you're welcome. And on this channel, I'm going to teach you on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make money online, how to do your faceless YouTube content, digital marketing. This is what I'm going to be teaching you on this YouTube channel. So if you're interested in things like this, do what to like, subscribe to join this wonderful community. Even if you don't want to subscribe, please just scroll this page. You are going to see something that's just going to catch you, hold you, and make it to subscribe to this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for your love. I really appreciate that. It means a lot to me. And if you're among those that whenever they watch my video, you leave a nice and wonderful comment in the comment section, it actually means a lot to me. Thank you. In this video, I'm going to be telling you whether you should pick a niche or not. I love this topic. This is why I love this topic, because during my time when I wanted to start YouTube, nobody was there to educate me in the advantage and disadvantage of picking a niche, and nobody was there to tell me their experience. All I was hearing is pick a niche. When you pick a niche, this happens. When you pick a niche, this I'm not saying picking a niche is bad. In fact, let's just talk about this whole thing than just jumping into the answer immediately. Let's just talk about this. You know, because you want to start a YouTube channel, or you have already started and it looks as if things are not working out for you, you are just going through YouTube, how to grow my YouTube, how to get views, how to get more money, how to do this. I know it is normal. I have been there and I am still there. Now I know everywhere you are going, you're hearing pick a niche, pick a niche, pick a niche, pick a niche, and it is not bad. But now let's come and let's face reality. Let's say as a human being, you have a lot of passions. You love a lot of things. Will you just stick to one? That's the first question. I want you to write it down and answer. You have a lot of passion. You have a lot of things you want to talk about. Will you just pick one because people are telling you to pick a niche and just stick with it? That's the question I want you to answer. So like, for example, I love beauty. I love skincare, I love makeup, I love wigs, I love anything that will make me look good and beautiful, like to my eyes. I love it. I love money, like anything that will bring money to my table. If you tell me, Chioma, let's do this, you are going to get so amount, so time, I'm going to pick it up and do it immediately. I remember I told you I love beauty, I love makeup, I love skincare, I love money. Good. I love digital marketing. Like when I see people talking about products, on how to sell their products, on how to grow your business, how to run ads and everything, I love it. I love it. So you can see I have a lot of passion or a lot of things I love. Will you tell me, Chioma, just pick one? Now, when you not pick one and keep doing that niche, keep doing that particular. Okay, for example, let's say I pick skincare, but that was the mistake I did in my first YouTube channel, because I was saying pick a niche. If you go to my first YouTube channel, everything you are seeing there, if I had like 200 videos, 190 videos is just skincare, which is bad. Trust me, it is bad. So I'm telling my experience now, so you can answer by yourself at the end of this video. One good thing I love about picking a niche is that the fact that when you start picking a niche and you're just talking about that one particular video, one particular niche, is going to make YouTube to push out a video to those specific kind of people that love that niche, that love that topic. Is normal, and you are going to see your growth. Your growth are going to be quick. Your growth is going to be quick. Your growth is going to be fast. It's normal. That 4,000 watch hour, you are going to get it in less than 1 year. Is normal. But at a point, your audience are going to be bored. They are going to stop. Like when they see your video, they'll just pass because they already know what you want to talk about. What's the exciting thing you want to say again? They already know it. The point, you see that your view tend to start declining. And what I want to tell you is that you see, getting this 4,000 watch hour is another problem on its own, and getting this $100 threshold is another problem on its own. See, we have a lot of problems on this YouTube. Don't think that only that your 4,000 watch hour is the only problem you are going to experience on this street of YouTube. It's not, because after that 4,000 watch hour, you are going to start hustling for that your $100 threshold. Because if you don't reach that $100 threshold, you are not going to get paid. Even if it takes you 3 years to reach that 100,000 threshold, you are not going to be get paid till when you reach 100,000 threshold. So imagine that you're talking about one particular niche all the time, and you got to 4,000 watch hours, and all of a sudden your views start declining, and you are not able to reach your $100 threshold. How would that make you feel? Now I know that when you come to the street of this YouTube, everybody's going to say, I came for the passion, I came for the passion. I don't know for you, but for me, I came for the money and the passion. The money and the passion, because you are going to do your research, you're going to keep your camera, do your video, you're going to edit, you're going to upload, you're going to do your thumbnail, you're going to do your title, you are going to do everything. And guess what? It's going to cost you data, it's going to give you some sleepless nights, it's going to cost you your fuel, and the economy is not smiling. So will you still say it's passion? So imagine after spending your data, your money and everything to do that your video, and that video is not giving the kind of view you want to get. It can be tiring. And at times, imagine you being in one particular niche and you get bumped out because at times you just run out of topic. You don't even know what topic again to talk about. You're just there, and you don't know what topic again to talk about. You're going to be burnt out. And at the point, you will start thinking, should I just stop? Should I just give up? Because you're not getting what you want. So imagine if you have a friend, or let's say I am your friend, and I, Chioma, is just talking about one particular thing. And I am wasting all my energy, my data, my money, my fuel, and everything about one particular niche, and all of a sudden, my views start declining. Will you still say, Chioma, continue that niche or continue that topic? No. You will not, right? Good. You will not, right? Now, this brings me to my topic. You see, niche, picking a niche is fine. People are going to know you, because now if you go to that my first YouTube channel and you say, okay, I want to watch skincare, there's no how that my name is not going to appear in at least one search engine. There's no how that my name is not going to appear there, because what they know me over that side is skincare, which if you notice on this YouTube channel, I don't talk about one particular thing. I talk about everything I love. Yeah. And that my other YouTube channel, I'm trying to incorporate other niches there, which is that. So I will not advise you to pick a niche. Please, if you anything you love, keep on posting it. At least post it. See, there's no how you post skincare. People for skincare is going to subscribe. People for makeup is going to subscribe. People for money is going to subscribe. People for if you're a fitness girl, you love fitness, people for fitness are still going to subscribe. All you just have to do, and see, imagine that you have 5 niches or 5 topics that you love, that your life revolves around. Do you think that you are going to be out of topic in that 5 niches? It's not possible. And it is not possible. You are not going to be out of topic in that 5 niches. So imagine that imagine that you love skincare, you love makeup, you love wigs, you love fashion, you love tech, you love money. Yeah, you love money, you love digital marketing. Right? For example, 7. Let's say you post every day. Today you talk about, if Monday you talk about skincare, Tuesday makeup, Wednesday fashion, Thursday tech. Like there will be topic on, like people are really going to be watching your video because they know you have different things to talk about. But one thing I want to say is that whenever you are talking about a lot of niches, please try as much as you can to make sure that you don't only focus on one. Because each niche you post have their own subscriber. There's a reason why they subscribe. Maybe the reason why A subscribed to your channel was because of fitness. The reason why B subscribed was because of skincare. The reason why C subscribed was because of makeup. Because the reason why D subscribed was because of game. So try as much as you can to make sure that all niches get their turn. Please make sure that all niches get their turn, and do not starve any niche. And trust me, when you leave this no niche, you are the niche. You are the brand. This is something nobody told me. This is something nobody told me when I wanted to start. And I'm here to tell you, you are the niche. You are the brand. You are the niche. I will say, I want to give this out to people not people that will tell you what to do. Give out. See, I'm telling you, from my first YouTube channel, if that I had know what I know now, I Chioma would not pick a niche over there. Oh my god, I know they are going to say it's going to be saturated. I don't care. I need my money. I need my money, please. And that side, I don't really like what I'm seeing in that side. Seriously, please. I don't like. Seriously, at this point of this video, please subscribe. It's really going to mean a lot to me. Please subscribe. So let me not make this video long. So for my answer is no. I won't advise you to pick a niche. Please, you are the niche. You are the brand. So try as much as you can to brand yourself. Try as much as you can to brand yourself. Now when people see your video, oh, it's Chioma, you just click it and watch. Not because, oh, it's skincare. No, you are the niche, you are the brand. So for the niche or no niche, I will advise you to just be you. Do anything you love on your page. You are still going to get subscribers for a particular niche. It's normal. And you are still going to try as much as you can to make sure that those people that comes from different niches are not stabbed. So this is my answer. Niche or no niche, please do not pick a niche. Be the brand. Do whatever you like. Do whatever you like. I'm telling you from experience. But if you don't want to listen, it's fine. But for me, if you check this YouTube channel, you know that this YouTube channel is just not one particular niche that is here. Everything you are going to look for on this YouTube, you are going to find it in this niche, and that is why I am Chioma. So we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this from me, please do what to like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bar on so that you're notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. Thank you, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.